Yes, good evening, Arya. Are you there in the class? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Arya, what are the topics for your periodical assessment?
Ma'am, which subject? Ma'am, is it about math or science?
It's about math, beta. It's about math.
Ma'am, we have visualizing solid shapes, lines and angles, properties of triangles, rational numbers, algebraic expressions, and data handling.
Okay, okay. Which is the topic you feel more difficult?
Ma'am, for me, it's properties of triangles.
Right.
We already completed the other chapters.
Topic. Okay, fine, fine. We'll discuss beta. Properties of triangles. What are the different properties? What do you have congruency criteria, beta? Arya?
Yeah, ma'am, we have.
Okay, fine. Good. Bhargav also joined, waiting for the kids. So, okay, meanwhile, we'll just revise the concept. What is triangle? What are the different basic properties of triangle? Let me discuss. What is triangle, ma? Arya?
Ma'am, a triangle is a shape where all the three angles are equal to 180 degrees.
Okay. Which angles those are? Is it any specific interior or exterior?
Ma'am, all the interior angles.
Yeah. So, triangle is a simple closed curve bounded by line segments. How many line segments? Three line segments, right? Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Good. And other things, Bhargav, please respond better. Bhargav. Am I
Ma'am,
audible to you, Bhargav?
yes, ma'am.
Bhargav, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ritika, Aryan,
Yes,
Aryan,
ma'am.
Ritika, am I audible to you? Please respond, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, you're audible.
Right. Today we are going with the topic according to the priority of the child. Triangles we are going with. The triangle, what is triangle? Triangle is a simple closed curve bounded by line segments. Let me discuss the different properties of triangle. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is how much?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. If you know two angles in a triangle, can we calculate the other third angle by using
Yes, ma'am.
angles of
Angles and
property?
property.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the one basic
So
one.
if two interior angles are there, then the other one will be like if you add those and minus
Yes,
them from one.
yes, yes. Interior angles and add up and subtract the result from 180, you will get third angle. And this is one property, angle sum property. And coming back to the second very important property in triangles is exterior angle of a triangle is same as what? Anyone from the class? We have 3 to 4
Ma'am, the
people
sum
in
of
the
two
class.
interior angles.
Very good. Sum of two what interior? Opposite.
Yeah,
Opposite.
Whatever exterior. Yeah.
my bad.
Opposite. Sum of two opposite interior angles. Very good. Can I know the child name who is given answer just now? Is it
Ma'am, the one with opposite or I said interior angles. Aryan said opposite. My name's Arav.
yeah. Good. These are the two important properties. Any other properties we have in triangles and its properties? If you know the sides of a triangle, is it possible to form a square using? Is it possible to form a triangle using the given sides? How you supposed to calculate? What is the property we need to check? Very important, Ritika, Bhargav. Anyone from the class, please?
Ma'am, it's Ruhika.
Yeah, please share beta. Ritika, what is that? I think you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Just basically, we just revise the things and we are go with our part of subject, children. Triangle is a figure, closed figure, bounded by line segments, which are three line segments. If it is four line segments, what is the name of the polygon obtained?
Could you
Hello.
repeat?
If three sides we formed as
Hmm.
closed figure bounded by three line segments, we named as triangle. Suppose a closed figure formed by four line segments. Please respond,
Yes, ma'am.
respond. Arav.
Yeah,
Arav, here we gave the definition for triangle. So closed figure made by three line segments.
yeah.
Similarly, a closed figure made by four line segments. Can you
Ma'am,
name?
quadrilateral.
Wonderful, Ritika, is quadrilateral. What are different quadrilaterals? We have Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
What are different quadrilaterals? We have.
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Your voice is a bit low.
Oh, is it true, children?
Ma'am,
Am
it's a
I
bit
audible to
low.
you? Oh, it's a bit low. Let me increase my volume better.
Ma'am, can you tell again the question?
Now, am I audible to you right now?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Children, am
ma'am, I
I
can hear
audible to
you.
you? Okay, okay. Now you see, children. Right now, am I audible to you, right?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Oh, okay. What are the different quadrilaterals we are using in day-to-day life till now?
I mean, ma'am,
Till
I can name some of them like
yeah, please.
parallelograms, rectangles,
Super.
rhombuses,
Yes, yes, wonderful. Bhargav, do you want to add up more?
trapezoid squares.
What?
Yes. Bhargav, do you want to add up more?
Ma'am, just
Quadril yeah, Aryan said it's rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, or trapezoids. Do you want to add more here?
it's the only ones I know.
Ma'am, kite also.
Right, also wonderful. Is it rectangle and square two quadrilaterals? Yes. Is square and rectangle too? Because those are also four-sided figures. So, okay, we are going with anyway triangles. Just come
Yes,
back
ma'am.
to the part. Okay, what are different types of triangles? Classification using based on sides and based on angles.
Right angle, obtuse, and acute.
Very good. Right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, based on angles. Based on angles you said.
Yeah,
Based on sides,
Equilateral, isosceles, and scaling.
wonderful. It's equilateral, isosceles, and scalar. Now my question
yeah.
to the student Arya Lokha. Arya Lokha, yeah, what is
Yes,
scale and triangle?
Ma'am, a scalene triangle is a triangle where none of its sides are equal.
Wonderful. Bhargav, what is right angle triangle?
What?
What is right angle triangle?
Where well, like one side is 90 degrees.
One side or one of the
One
angle?
angle is 90 degrees.
Yeah, that's should be clear. Yes. Aryan, what is obtuse angle triangle?
More
Ma'am,
than
angle
90.
which is greater than 90 degrees, but the measurement is less than 180 degrees.
Yes. One of the angle in a triangle is greater than 90 and less
And
than
less than
180. We
180.
can good. And Ritika, what is acute angle triangle?
Ma'am, acute angle triangle is where the angle of the triangle is less than 90 degrees.
Mhm.
Ma'am, and it's not
Clear.
Ritika, it's Ruhika.
Rutika, sorry, beta. Rutika. Am I correct? Rutika? Yes.
No, it's Ruhika.
Ruhika. R-U-H-I. Ruhi.
Yeah.
Okay. Ruhika. Right, ma. Right. Come back to the part of different types of triangles we done. And here there is a famous mathematician who specifically given the relationship between the sides of right angle triangle. Who is he? Especially he discussed about only right angle triangles.
I'm not sure.
Pythagoras.
Who is he? Yes.
Pythagoras.
Yes, Pythagoras property. What is Pythagoras property? What are Pythagorean triplets in class 8? When you're going to class 10 also you're learning about trigonometry. What is this all? What is Pythagoras property? Why?
Like the two square like the like a square like a like the first two
Hypotenuse
sides.
square is, yes, in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, especially he described the relation between the sides of right angle triangle. This is applicable for right angle triangles only. Yes, in
Like the
right angle
other two,
triangle,
like the other two side
yes,
square will be equal to, sum will be equal to
equal to
the hypotenuse.
hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is the largest side of the right angle triangle, one thing,
Yeah.
right? Next, our two sides we call it as leg one and leg two. Either you can take perpendicular, both are right angle means both are perpendiculars only. You can take leg one and leg two. Leg one square plus leg two square is equal to hypotenuse square. That's the Pythagoras property of right angle triangle, children.
Yeah.
You have beautiful activities in YouTube also. You just whenever you have time, you just go through that activity how it works. Uh, convex Pythagoras property is also very important. What is that convex property? You just later we will see. And if you go further about Pythagoras, there are Pythagorean triplets. What are Pythagorean triplets means? Just now we discussed like one square plus like two square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is the largest. Suppose 3, 4, 5. The centimeters, the sides of the triangle is 3, 4, 5. What is hypotenuse here? The sides of triangle, right angle triangle are 3, 4, 5. What is the length of hypotenuse?
Mom, there.
Okay, you see, it's a right angle triangle. If you take a right angle triangle,
Uh, Mom, the hypotenuse in the one on top is AB.
My sides are the 3, 4, 5 beta. In this 3, 4, 5, what is the 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters? What is the hypotenuse? That's what I want. I just think this is the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we just gave the sides as 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Suppose this triangle, name it as A, B, C. The sides are given as 3
CB will be hypotenuse.
CB is hypotenuse. Why? Because these are Pythagorean triplets, beta. These are Pythagorean triplets. Why we call it as a Pythagorean triplets? 3 square plus 4 square. What is the value of 3 square? 9. 4 square is 16. If you sum up these two, you will get the other third side,
25.
hypotenuse square. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25 is same as 24. It's what these are, we call it as the Pythagorean triplets. If this rule is true, then we can make them as a Pythagorean. Those are the triplets, Pythagorean triplets. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you go with the class 9, 8, those things. And how to calculate the perimeter of a triangle. Any figure, children, any
Add the
closed
sides.
or sum of all sides is nothing but perimeter. Whether it's a square, whether it's a rectangle, whether it's a triangle, whether it's isosceles triangle, whether it is scalene triangle, whether it is rhombus, whether it is trapezium, whether it is rectangle, whether it is square, whatever that, like you can learn the properties based on their sides. But perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. That is the basic part. Sum of the lengths of all sides. We call it as the perimeter. Here in this triangle, you see A, B, C are the lowercase letters, children. Lowercase a, b, c are the lengths of the sides of BC, AC, and AB respectively. So, what is the perimeter here? Lowercase a plus lowercase b plus lowercase c is the perimeter of the triangle. Triangle inequality property. This is very, very important property. Suppose they gave question like that. Can we form a triangle using the following sides? What are the conditions should be satisfied? Sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. That is one condition. The difference of any two sides is always less than the third side. These are the two conditions, very important properties you need to remember for whether the condition for the triangle.
Yes,
When,
ma'am. One second.
yeah, can I give examples for that? See, here they gave question as 3, 4, 5. Best example they mentioned that the sides as x, y as 3 centimeters, y and z are 4 centimeters, x and z are 5 centimeters. What is the condition? I said sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Any two sides you take, whether you want to take x and y together and y and z together. X and y is 3,
Yes,
3 plus 4 is always 7 is always greater than 3 plus 4 value is 7. 7 is greater than 5.
yeah.
True. Similarly, go with other condition 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, what is 4 and 5 together? 9. 9 is always greater than the 3. Similarly, other two sides you take 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is always greater than 4. So, this is one inequality property, and go with the difference of 3 and 4 is 1. which is less than the other side. What is the other side? 5. 1 is less than
Yes, ma'am.
5. 5 and 4 difference is 1. Okay, 1 is less than 3. 3 and 5 difference is 2, which is always less than the third side is 4. This is what you can cross check the triangular inequality property. Children, this is very basic property. One more questions they may ask you question like which of the following sides of a triangle is possible? You need to cross check. If one case fail also, the entire triangle property, we cannot build a triangle using those sides. And these medians and medians, what is median? What is altitude, children? Anyone from the class? In a triangle,
Median
Ma'am,
what
so
is
basically,
median
altitude is the is how we measure the height of the triangle.
okay?
And then median is median is a line from when we take one line starting point from one side of the triangle to the opposite side of the triangle, and that's the median. And then there are three medians and three altitudes in a triangle.
median
Yes,
divides
sir.
Okay, but
median.
Very good. Median divides equal parts, opposite side. That I think Arav forget about it. Bhargav, that's true. Median divides any vertex. If you take any vertex, suppose if I'm taking a triangle here, if I take any triangle, what is the condition beta? Condition is, suppose if I'm taking a triangle ABC,
yes, sir.
median from vertex A2, if I construct the line segment, this line segment should divide the opposite side into two equal parts. That means, suppose if it is D, the meeting point is D, so BD length is same as DC length beta. BD length is same as DC length. That's what D is the midpoint of DC. D is the midpoint of DC. Suppose if I construct the work from vertex to the opposite side, vertex B opposite side is which is the opposite to the vertex B, AC. So median which divides the side into two equal parts. This part of length is same as this part of length. Suppose if you take this as E, AE length is same as AE length is same as EC length. Similarly, from vertex C to opposite side is AB. If I joined this meeting point, if you take as F, this part of BF length is same as AF length. This point, particularly these three medians are meeting in a triangle. That point we call it as what is that beta? Anyone from the class? It's very important.
Or a centroid.
Wonderful. Median's meeting point is centroid. Altitude's meeting point is
Orthocenter.
orthocenter. These are 2 points you need to remember. Median's meeting point is centroid. Altitude's meeting point is centroid. Sorry. Altitude's meeting point is orthocenter. Median's meeting point is centroid. These are the medians. Altitudes. Let me go with altitude. Suppose in a triangle, same triangle, if I'm taking any triangle you take. Let me take a triangle here.
Does altitude divide it into a right angle? Triangle?
This is ABC triangle. What is altitude? Perpendicular drawn from vertex to the opposite side. It should not be exactly two halves. Perpendicular means you have to perpendicular drawn from vertex to the opposite side is nothing but altitude. Similarly, from B to other side is also, what is altitude? Altitude is nothing but a straight line drawn from altitude is nothing but perpendicular means. What is the meaning for perpendicular? This meeting point we call it as orthocenter, because AD, BE and CF are the altitudes of the triangle. These altitudes meeting point is nothing but orthocenter. Median's meeting point is nothing but centroid. Later, you further in your senior classes, you will learn more about it, children. Now we are going with the altitude is nothing but height of the triangle. Height of the triangle. If you see this triangle, AD is the altitude. Altitude is nothing but perpendicular drawn from vertex to the opposite side. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means, what is perpendicular meaning? This perpendicular means it's an angle 90.
Two right angles.
Right. These are the points, children. Come back to angle sum properties of triangle. Just now we discussed all three angles
Yeah,
in a
ma'am.
triangle should be equal to 180
180.
degrees. Yes, that is already we discussed. This is one
Yes,
more
ma'am.
important property. And this is another property, children, exterior angle. You see, the exterior angle should be equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Opposite 1 plus 2 gives 1 plus 2 gives
Equal to C.
ACD angle, exterior angle, ACD. Yeah, that is one more important exterior angle property states that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Just remember these all properties based on this properties only you will get the examination questions. Now, see, there is each of the following, there are three positive numbers. State if these numbers could possibly be a length of sides of a triangle. Can you check, children? 2, 3, 4 they mentioned. What is the condition if it forms triangle means what is the condition we just discussed with us? Sum of two sides of a triangle is always, the sides are given 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. This is one set. Is it possible to form a triangle? And another one is 2.5, comma 1.5, comma 4.
It will not be, for first one, it will not be possible because 4 plus 3 will not be, no.
2 plus 3 is always greater than 4. Yes.
Yes,
3 plus 4 is greater than 2. Yes. And 2 plus 4
greater
is
than 3.
6 is always greater than, yes, condition is true.
It's possible.
Yes, sir. No, this is, yeah, this is possible. Yes, with the 2, 3, 4, we can make a, yes, this is possible. Come to the part of second, possibility. Let me check whether these sides 2.5 plus
Like
1
5 plus 1.5 is same as 4.
but it's not greater, right? They did not mention greater than or equal to this
Only if
condition
it's
fails.
only if it's
Fails means,
greater.
yeah. This is we cannot not possible here. Not possible. Yes, possible here. One condition fail also, fail only, children. Suppose if two conditions are true, third case is fail, then it is not possible to form a triangle. All three conditions should be true. That's what you need to cross check. This is also for 1 or 2 marks question is given here. And, not only this, we have Pythagoras property. That's very important property. You need to remember why, because it's not stopped in class 7. Continues, continues, continues till you're mastering. Because that property is really applicable in many areas. So hypotenuse square
Like
is
here,
equal to,
now
yeah,
in this
this square
AC square and plus DC square will be equal to
is
AD
equal
square.
to AD square. Good. What we are from that can we calculate if any two sides are given in right angle triangle by using Pythagoras property? Can we calculate the third side? Yes or no? Now you see the sides of certain triangles are given. Determine them are right angle triangle. What is the condition according to hypotenuse if they are right angle triangle? Hypotenuse square is equal to leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. Hypotenuse is the largest side of the triangle. Suppose if you take this example, particularly 6, 8, 10 centimeters, which is the largest side? Which is the largest side, Nana? A equal to 6 centimeters, B equal to 8 centimeters, and C equal to 10 centimeters in a triangle. If
So
you
10
take this
centimeters
triangle,
is hypotenuse.
okay. So you
Right.
need to check whether it's a right angle triangle. Okay, hypotenuse, this we can easily notice this largest side is hypotenuse. Another one we call it as leg 1 and leg 2. We know the property according to hypotenuse. Leg 1 square plus leg 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square. So leg 1 is 6 square, leg 2 is 8 square, hypotenuse is 10 square. Let me check both are true or not. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. 6 square means what is the value? How you are supposed to get 6 square value? 6 into 6, 36. 8 square value is 8 into 8,
It will
64.
be 100.
It's 100. Yes, this is 100. And the 10 square is once again 100. 100 equal to 100. Yes, it is true. Yes, true. So it's a right angle triangle. Go with the second example. Second example, you try, children, check it whether it's a which of them is a right angle or not. 5, 8, 11 centimeter. What is the hypotenuse here?
11.
11. 11 square, check with the 5 and 5 square plus 8 square. Is it true or false? Let me know.
That's 25 plus 64.
Is it true?
Um,
Just to take pen and paper and solve with, children.
I will not work.
Not work? Okay, then
Just
you can say
89.
this. Okay. So it's not a right angle triangle. Those are the Pythagorean triplets. Not a Pythagorean triplets. First case is Pythagorean triplets. But second case is not a Pythagorean triplets. That's all better. You can calculate. This is a ladder question. Example 2, you can see here. A ladder is 25 meters long, reaches the window of building 20 meters high above the ground. Determine the distance of the foot on the ladder from the building. Distance of foot of the ladder from the building. How you supposed to calculate? See, children, they mentioned very clearly here. Just to see this part is ladder. This ladder length is 25 meters given, and the height of the building is 20 meters. You should calculate this distance, children, from here to here. How you supposed to calculate? Can we think, is it right angle triangle forms here? Yes or
Yes,
no?
it's right.
Yes. Yes. Can we apply Pythagoras property here?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't know unknowns, I take as x or unknown part question mark you can put. So we know that 20 square plus unknown number. We don't know this number square gives the
25.
hypotenuse square 25 square. What is the value of 20 square? 1 minute, ma. Let me call one by one because I cannot see all the students are well. Arav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, what is 20 square?
Ma'am, 20
How to
square is
calculate?
20 into 20, which is equal to 400.
Very good, it's 400. Next, Rafika, what is 25 square?
Ma'am, 25 square is 25 in 25 into
Multiplied
20.
with 20. Yes. What is the answer to that? Please let me know.
Ma'am, which is I think 625.
Okay. 625 is the correct answer. So to find out unknown number, if you transpose this plus 400 to other side, it become minus. It become
625 minus 400.
625 minus 400. What is the value, ma? 625 minus 400. Can you subtract?
225.
225. Yes. Unknown number square is equal to 225. So this
So,
number square gives, how to calculate this number? To find out this, can I take this as 15 into 15 as 225? So now this I can write it as 15 square. Unknown number square is equal to square get cancelled. Only that part of side length as x as
15.
15 centimeters. 15. This is the distance between from the ladder to the wall. Foot of the distance of foot to the wall. This is what unknown part we can calculate. One more interesting question here. What is that? You see, tree has broken. A tree has broken. This is one important question in class 7, which is examination point of view. A tree has broken at the height of 5 meters from the ground. So just imagine tree is there. Tree is has broken at 5. This you just imagine this is entire tree. I'm taking this as this. Tree has broken 5 meters from the ground. This, if you take as ground this part, this you just imagine this is 5 meters length. Broken means what happens, children? It will fall to the this region. This whatever the upper region will fall. And what happening? It's broken and 5 meters ground and top touches the ground at distance of 12 meters. Whatever the distance of 12 meter, top touches the distance of 12 meters. That means this length is 12 meters. It is the plant is touching that broken part is length is same as it touches 12 meters. Now you should calculate the height of the tree. What is the original height of the tree? We don't know. We only know the part of tree. Some part is broken and touches the ground.
It's right angle triangle.
It's right angle triangle. This hypotenuse is nothing but what is this part? Hypotenuse is same as
So
broken piece length of the broken tree. Yes or no? This part.
yes, ma'am.
Because this part only, this from here, it is cut and it's fall like down, forms a right angle triangle. This is broken piece of a tree. Now here to calculate, we know hypotenuse square is equal to leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. Yes, what is the value of 5 square here? That broken piece, whatever the broken length, this length, to calculate this, how you supposed to calculate? We can calculate using 5 square plus 12 square.
Well,
Yes. 5 square is 25. 12 square is
12 square.
1 square value of the number. It is the value of 12 square.
144.
144.
Super. It's 144. 25 plus 144, how much?
160.
25 plus
169.
169. 169 can be expressed as, why? Because this is hypotenuse square. Can we write it as 13 into 13? Yes, hypotenuse square is equal to 13 square. Square and both the sides square cancel. Hypotenuse is nothing but this is 13 meters. The broken piece of tree is this length. This part of broken, how much broken part is nothing but this length is 13 meters. Now original height of the tree. How to calculate original? These two together is the original height of the tree. 13 plus 5. 13
17.
plus 13 plus 5 and 4.
Remember?
Go. 13 plus 5 is the height of the
Yes.
18 meters. The height of the tree is 18 meters. Like that you can calculate. Any doubt in this sum, particularly this question? Any doubt you have? If you have any doubt, we'll discuss, or else we will go with the next question.
No doubt, ma'am.
No. Now I'll call one by one. Please respond and give the answer, children, because already we discussed all this. Arav Reddy. Arav Reddy, please respond. The question is, then give this part. Exterior angle is given. Exterior angle is given. You should calculate, find x value. You should calculate x value when AB length is same as AC length. In a triangle, if two sides are same, what type of triangle it is, children?
Isosceles.
Very good. What do you know more about isosceles triangle?
Ma'am,
More
in
about
isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal.
wonderful, Aryan. Base angles are equal. I don't know any angle in this triangle, but x and this part is also x. Why? Because these are the opposite, equal sides, opposite angles are equal. This is x, this is also x. But exterior part is given 140. What is interior? In a line, it's a linear pair, in a line, straight line. What is a straight line angle? What is straight angle? What is
And
straight
straight
line
angle.
angle?
Straight line is 180.
180 degrees.
Yes, Rohit. Straight angle is 180. In that, the part is given as 140. What is the inner part?
40.
40.
40. 140 plus 40 is 180. If this part is 40, can I say x is also 40?
Yes, ma'am, because it's opposite.
If it's, what is the reason, Bhargav?
It's opposite.
Opposite to equal sides are angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Super. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is 40, x is also 40. Now my question, another question goes to the student. Let me name the giving group answers. You can go with the Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Aryan. Yeah. Aryan, you see the question number 2 here. We
Yes,
should
ma'am.
calculate both angles x and y. The figure is given like that.
Okay,
What
ma'am.
would
So,
mm,
mm, so
just
first we have to
uh,
calculate the triangle PSQ. To calculate that, we have to
uh,
see the exterior angle 148. So 140 is
uh,
equal to 103 plus x, which is equal to 148 minus 103, which will be 45. So x is 45 degrees.
yes, x is 45. Wonderful. If
Okay.
x is 45,
Yeah, we have to find y now. So,
yes.
I think we can see that y has two equal sides. That means base angles are equal.
Uh,
Angle S and angle R or B, whatever, I can't see. I think it's angle R. So angle S and angle R are equal, while
uh,
angle Y is on the top. So,
uh,
to find out what angle Y is, mm,
uh,
yeah, so we can see the line which is from PSR, the line P and R. So
uh,
we have 103, right? So 180 minus 103 is equal to 77. So
uh,
77 and 77, since base angles are equal, is equal to
very good.
140, 7 14, 154, and 180 minus 154 is 30 26. So y is equal to 26.
Absolutely correct what your explanation, Aryan. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. The way you are thinking is absolutely correct. So here they
Thank you,
what
ma'am.
Aryan yes took. This is exterior angle, ma'am. We know that it's opposite sum of opposite interior angles. So 148 is same as 103 plus x. So x you are getting as a 45. Once you get as x value 45, you just go with in search of y. In search of y, what he took, this is a triangle. This in I think this is our RSQ. QRS triangle is isosceles triangle. Here base angles are equal, but this is a straight line. 103 plus 77 gives a straight angle, which is this part of angle is 7. But isosceles triangle base angles are same. 77 plus 77 plus y makes you 180. From that, he calculated the y value. Wonderful, wonderful explanation given by the student. Any doubt in this question, then?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Others also please respond, Vita.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now the question to the student, to whom I did not give, please raise your hands now so that I can easily. Can you please raise your hand in the group? Okay. Ruhika, I did not give it, and Arya L, I did not give it. Okay. Ruhika, next, third question, I'm going with the Ruhika explanation. Let me see. Find the value of x in the figure.
Ma'am, so to find
Can
x,
I
we need
zoom
to
this part? It's enough for you. Can I zoom it more so you're able to see? Huh?
ma'am, we're able to see.
Okay, fine. Then go ahead,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, so to find x first, you need to get the value of b. So the
Hmm.
exterior angle there is 143, and to get 180 inside, it needs to be 37 degrees.
Hmm.
So 90 plus 37 minus 180 gives you the answer. So 90 plus 37 is 127, and 180 minus 127 is 53.
No, I want to X how what way you are calculating. You are taking as a straight line. 143 plus what angle makes you straight? That's what you are calculating.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the other angle? 143 plus the connectivity angle to the 143 is how much?
37.
37. According to angle sum property, 37 plus 90 means how much?
127.
Is it another way is there? Beta, any other way is there? Instead of doing the actually this is also correct. Your way of thinking is also I'll appreciate you. Is there any other way? Please think, is there any other way? Can we use exterior angle property? If your triangle 143 is same as 90 plus x, yes or no? Can we use that?
What?
Vika, can we use the exterior angle property here? 143 is same as 90 plus x.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, using that also you can easily calculate better. Then what is x then? X is
Ma'am, so x is 143 minus 90, I think,
yes.
which is 53 degrees.
And what is then y?
Y is 180 minus 53, which gives 127 degrees.
Right. 127 or 137? 127. Now, yeah, good explanation. Yeah, that's what children, we have multiple methods to solve the question. No need to go as your way of thinking in a fraction of that time in the examination time, you have an idea, but you mentioned that it's property. Just before she used two properties. She used angle sum property as well as the exterior angle property. Both you can mention, whatever the property you're using, you just mention. This is, can you please raise the student who are not answered it in the class, who are quiet in the class? I want to know, just raise the hand. Okay. Arya, well, Arya, please respond with a question number 5 is ready for you. There is no figure for the question. So just to see the given condition in triangle ABC, roughly you diagram, you take the question. Find the angles of 6 times of angle A is same as 4 times of angle B, and it is same as 3 times of angle C. Find triangles. Find the angles. Anyone, this is open question to everyone. But Arya is particularly we are not going with Arya. So really challenging question to you. Anyone are ready? Please respond in the group. If you are ready, raise your hand.
I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
If someone is who is that ready? Who is ready to give the answer here? Arya?
Mom, I'm not
Arya?
sure.
Madam, I did not hear you. Yes? We can
I'm
see
not sure.
Arya L, Arav R, and Aryan, Vihan, and Bhargav, Rohika. This is someone is calling just before I did not hear the child name. Please, who are ready with this answer? Fifth question.
Mom, could you wait for 2 minutes? I'll try to think.
Sure, I'll give to you. Time is for 2 minutes, not 5 minutes you take, but I want answer. But this is question you need to think. These are the every question we can do, but challenging questions, how you suppose?
Ma'am, when does class end? I have another class at 6 o'clock.
Ruhika, you have class at 7 o'clock?
No, I have class at 6 o'clock.
doubts. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, we'll end better 1 hour time. More 4 minutes. Or else you take this question as homework and you just go to the next class. Ma? Take this question as a homework. The
Ma'am,
question
even
number
I have a
5.
class at 6, ma'am.
Yeah, we will end beta. Please take this fifth question as a
Okay, ma'am.
homework. Next class we'll meet. That time we'll discuss the answer.
Yes.
Yeah, you just take this question and you can so that we can call off the meeting.
Yeah.
Any doubts, any queries, please
No
let me
doubts.
know, children.
No
Thank
doubts,
you.
ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, children. Bye. Have a nice
Bye, ma'am.
day.
Ma'am, thank you.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Nana. Muddu pap.